Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction here with Helen. Helen, what's up?
We are getting our roof fixed like it should have been done to begin with.
Well, we won't focus on that too much,
Okay.
but there were some things we needed to correct. Man, I just learned a little bit about it. Let me see if I can hit it. So, roofers came out, roofers put on shingles and left the old gutter guards that went underneath the shingles. And then the gutter guys came out and they cut the gutter guards, right? So that the metal stayed underneath the shingles, and then they popped the new gutter guards in, right?
Right.
And that old metal underneath the shingle kind of gave the brand new shingle that you just paid for that wavy appearance, right?
Right.
So, in a nutshell, the gutter guys were pointing at the roofing guys, and the roofing guys were, anyway, so.
One said it wasn't their fault, and the other one said it wasn't their fault. But y'all are getting it done right.
We're sure thankful for the work, and we're glad for the opportunity to be out here on such a beautiful day. I'm sorry it's taken so long. Guys, anytime you're separating shingles, so we're separating new shingles that are stuck together, it needs to be above 65 or so degrees and sunny so that they warm up enough to separate. That's been part of the reason it's taken us so long to get out here. It had to be warmer weather. Now you've been waiting a little while.
Well, that's, sometimes that happens.
I just want to say how excited we are to bring you some documentation of this project so that you can see exactly what we did and understand, and I'll go over the rest of the roof and document everything for you and let it live on our website, and you can keep that web page and it'll house everything having to do with your roof right there in one place.
That sounds very good, and I appreciate that. And I appreciate all of your people who have been so conscientious to see that this is done and is, best in a timely manner.
Well,
Considering winter time and then the pandemic. So I'm very, I feel comfortable with y'all doing it, and that it will be done right.
well, I think at Lightspeed, we've got a couple of different things we say. One of the things we forget to mention is things happen the way they're supposed to, right? So this is one of those things we would have liked to have been a little bit more tentative. We would have liked for this project to have worked out, with the first contractors with you, but things happen the way they're supposed to, and we're sure glad to be here putting this on correctly on behalf of our mutual client and your provider. And I want to say how nice you look in your brand new Lightspeed Construction
I'm
jacket.
just thrilled.
It's nice and warm.
Oh yes, it is.
Yeah, you look good in it. What's it say on the back right there?
I don't know.
It says construction crew. You're on the Lightspeed construction crew.
Light speed.
Yeah, that's right. Well, thank you so much for having us out, and enjoy the new jacket, and we'll get you tons of information on your roof and all the project and everything so you can see it and feel super comfortable with everything that's been done here, okay?
I appreciate y'all being here.
Let me get us one of these. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you guys watching. Kirby and Helen signing out. Thank you.